Hi everyone, so in this video let us know what is outsourcing. Outsourcing. So when you source your work from outside, when a business sources work from outside. Now this outside is what we call as third party or service provider. Now this work that we are talking about outsourcing, it could be anything. If it's a manufacturer of shirt, so maybe you get the sewing part done from outside. You put your own labels. It could handle your operations. If you are a business and you want a part of your HR services to be outsourced, that could be done. IT services, that could be outsourced. Your call center, that could be outsourced. So this is what we call outsourcing. जब business अपना काम किसी और के थ्रू करवाता है. Now outsourcing is of three types: onshore, nearshore and offshore. जब बिजनेस अपना काम जिस लोकेशन पे बिजनेस ऑपरेट करता है उसी लोकेशन से किसी और से करवाता है, देन दैट इज़ ऑनशोर. बट इफ़ वो किसी नियर बाय लोकेशन से अपना काम करवाता है फ्रॉम अ थर्ड पार्टी, देन दैट इज़ नियर शोर. एंड इफ़ ये किसी ऑफ शोर लोकेशन से अपना काम करवाता है, then that is offshoring. Say the business is in US and the business is getting its work done from India, then that is outsourcing. Usually जो business है वो outsourcing करता है for cost optimization purpose. So if we take the example of this particular case, US and India, India offers cheap labor, comparatively cheaper land, business operations are comparatively cheaper. So India has become an outsourcing hub for majority of the companies over the seas. So this is what outsourcing is.